Pisa, a charming city in the Tuscany region of Italy, is renowned worldwide for its iconic Leaning Tower, but there's so much more to discover in this historic destination. Nestled along the banks of the Arno River, Pisa is a city of art, history, and architectural splendor. Its medieval streets, vibrant piazzas, and picturesque riverfront make it an unforgettable destination for travelers. This complete travel guide will take you through 12 must-see attractions and tourist spots that highlight the best of Pisa, ensuring an engaging and memorable visit. 1. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, or Torre Pendente, is undoubtedly the city's most famous landmark and a symbol of architectural intrigue. Built as the campanile, or bell tower for Pisa's cathedral, the tower began to tilt during its construction in the 12th century due to unstable soil. Today it attracts millions of visitors who marvel at its unique angle and climb its 294 steps for breathtaking views of the city and surrounding countryside. 2. Piazza dei Miracoli. The Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the heart of Pisa's historical and cultural significance. In addition to the Leaning Tower, the square is home to 3 other remarkable structures: the Pisa Cathedral, the Baptistery, and the Campo Santo Monumentale. This ensemble of religious buildings set against a lush green lawn is a masterpiece of medieval architecture. 3. Pisa Cathedral, Duomo di Pisa. The Pisa Cathedral, or Duomo di Pisa, is a stunning example of Romanesque architecture and a centerpiece of the Piazza dei Miracoli. Its ornate facade, adorned with columns and mosaics, is a sight to behold, while the interior features exquisite frescoes, a gilded ceiling, and the famous pulpit by Giovanni Pisano. Dedicated to the Assumption of the Virgin Mary, the cathedral represents the height of Pisa's maritime power in the Middle Ages. 4. Baptistery of St. John. Adjacent to the cathedral, the Baptistery of St. John is another architectural gem in the Piazza dei Miracoli. This circular building, the largest baptistery in Italy, is known for its unique blend of Romanesque and Gothic styles. Its marble facade features intricate carvings and statues, while the interior boasts remarkable acoustics often demonstrated by the attendants with a harmonious echo. Climbing to the upper gallery rewards visitors with stunning views of the square and the Leaning Tower. 5. Campo Santo Monumentale. The Campo Santo Monumentale, or Monumental Cemetery, completes the quartet of landmarks in the Piazza dei Miracoli. This sacred burial ground is said to contain soil brought from Golgotha, making it a revered site. The cloistered cemetery features beautifully frescoed walls, ancient Roman sarcophagi, and intricately carved tombs. The frescoes, many of which have been meticulously restored, depict scenes of life, death, and the afterlife, offering a glimpse into medieval religious thought. 6. Borgo Stretto. Borgo Stretto is one of Pisa's most charming streets, located in the heart of the city's medieval center. Lined with elegant arcades, boutiques, cafes, and historic buildings, it's a perfect place for a leisurely stroll or some shopping. The street is also home to several notable landmarks, including the Church of San Michele in Borgo, a beautiful example of Gothic architecture. As you wander through Borgo Stretto, you'll get a sense of Pisa's vibrant local culture and historical charm, making it a delightful addition to your itinerary. 7. Arno River and Lungarni. The Arno River runs through Pisa, and the picturesque Lungarni, or riverside promenades, are an essential part of the city's character. Lined with historic palaces, charming bridges, and lively cafes, the Lungarni offer a perfect setting for a romantic evening stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. The reflections of the buildings in the water create a magical atmosphere, especially at sunset. The Ponte di Mezzo, the central bridge, connects the city's 2 sides and provides excellent views of the river and its surroundings. 8. Palazzo Blu. Palazzo Blu is a cultural gem located along the Lungarni, known for its vibrant blue facade and exceptional art exhibitions. This historic palace serves as a museum and cultural center, hosting rotating exhibits that feature works by renowned artists such as Picasso, Miro, and Toulouse-Lautrec. The museum also has a permanent collection that includes Pisan art, historical artifacts, and furniture from different periods. Palazzo Blu's engaging displays and central location make it a great place to immerse yourself in Pisa's artistic and cultural heritage. 9. Piazza dei Cavalieri. Piazza dei Cavalieri, or Knights Square, is a historic and architectural jewel in Pisa. Once the political center of the city during the Middle Ages, the square was later transformed by architect Giorgio Vasari into a Renaissance masterpiece. The centerpiece is the Palazzo della Carovana, now home to the prestigious Scuola Normale Superiore, a university founded by Napoleon. The square also features the Church of Santo Stefano dei Cavalieri, adorned with stunning artwork and naval trophies. 10. Santa Maria della Spina. Santa Maria della Spina is a small yet exquisite Gothic church located along the banks of the Arno River. Originally built in the 13th century to house a thorn from Christ's crown, this church is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, featuring delicate spires, intricate carvings, and beautiful statues. Despite its modest size, Santa Maria della Spina's exterior is incredibly detailed, and its riverside location adds to its charm. 11. Museo dell'Opera del Duomo. The Museo dell'Opera del Duomo is an excellent museum located near the Piazza dei Miracoli. It houses a remarkable collection of art and artifacts from the cathedral, baptistery, and cemetery. Highlights include medieval sculptures, religious relics, and original statues from the Leaning Tower. The museum offers an in-depth look at Pisa's artistic and cultural achievements, providing context and insight into the city's historical landmarks. 12. San Rossore Natural Park. For a break from the city's historical sites, San Rossore Natural Park offers a tranquil escape into nature. Located just a short distance from Pisa, this sprawling park features lush forests, wetland, and sandy beaches. Visitors can enjoy hiking, cycling, horseback riding, or simply relaxing in the peaceful surroundings. The park is also home to diverse wildlife, including deer, boars, and various bird species. Pisa is a city that offers far more than its famous Leaning Tower. From the architectural splendor of the Piazza dei Miracoli to the charming streets of Borgo Stretto and the serene beauty of San Rossore Natural Park, Pisa is a destination that delights at every turn. Its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes make it a must-visit for travelers seeking a quintessential Italian experience. With this guide to 12 must-see attractions, you'll be well-equipped to explore the best of Pisa, ensuring a trip filled with unforgettable memories and a deep appreciation for this timeless Tuscan city.